Welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm going to introduce our newest products, the countertop refrigeration salad bar and the model number VRX1200380. Let's take a look at the overall sizes. And the overall length will be 47 inches. And the overall height will be 17.5 inches. And the depth will be 15.5 inches. As you can see, we have operating system here, the Dexel controllers and the switchers, and also the 110 US standard plugs. And also we do have a sanitation sticker at the behind. I'll show later. So let's take a measurement for the inner side. The inner side overall size will be 33.5 inches in the length and 12 inches in the depth and 6.5 inches in the height. Let me show you the sticker at behind. Right here, you can see the sanitation approvals, ETLs, and the diagram right here. And thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, just contact with us. Thanks.